Right Honourable Speaker, it's so sad that we are losing one of our own. Right Honourable, I was lucky that I was among the few, or many, that have been very, very close to the Honourable Nakimuli Helen, the late now. When she was going for the operation, she actually sent me a message that, Honourable, pray for me. I'm in for an operation. Right Honourable, even the time that we are sending her off, I wish each one of us, we can always pray for her soul. I had the opportunity to be in Kalangala from Monday up to Tuesday. Right Honourable, the people of Kalangala have a lot of questions. And I'm lucky that at least we have received a response that some of those questions are going to be answered. How I wish these questions are answered as soon as possible, because the people of Kalangala believe that there is something wrong. And many of us, that's what we believe. We need those questions to be answered. We need to know how that operation was done, so that the people of Kalangala can send off their Mama Kalangala, in the most benefiting way. Thank you, Right Honourable.
Thank you, Honourable Zaake.